Welcome back to Sunrise Bento Box. Today's leftover food battle, Japan vs Australia. Japan. I turned yesterday's curry into a rich Keema Curry Rice bento, zero waste and super tasty. Australia. Classic leftover lunch, Vegemite sandwich, peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich, and a leftover roast chicken with salad. Which team wins your lunchbox battle today? Comment below. Today we are doing a cheap vs expensive bento battle. $5 vs $20, which one would you pick? For the $5 bento, I'm keeping it simple and delicious. Teriyaki tofu, nori Tamagoyaki, and fluffy rice topped with Yukari furikake. Cheap, colourful, and packed with protein. Now the $20 bento, we are going luxury. Beautiful Wagyu steak, cooked until tender and juicy, plus a soft Dashimaki Tamago, and the same Yukari rice for balance. Two very different bentos, one budget-friendly, one premium. Which one wins today's bento showdown? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your fave bento, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Happy cooking!